True, Makazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today, everybody been asking me, you should watch Mangere Nationals, Hux. Mangere 2026. Brother, trust me. Te wharekura o Mangere next, please. Well, you can hold your horses. Get off your hoi-ho, because that's exactly what we're doing today. Today, we are reacting to, drumroll please, Te Wharekura o Mangere 2026. Now, I haven't seen them. I've seen a few of the ropus. I'm not gonna lie. I was doing a little bit of I was watching some of the ropus. But yeah, this is their day 3, and I know that they come second. Okay, I looked at the placings too. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna first, second, and third. We're getting them out of the way first. Okay, I'm sorry about it, fellas and fellesses.
Brother,
We're getting first, second, third out. We're watching first, second, and third on their days before the last day. And yo, that's pretty much how it's gonna go. And then we're gonna watch everyone on the god damn. And then we're gonna watch everyone on day 4. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, let's go. Alright boys, we are literally on the brink of hitting 1,000 subs. I'm only 10 subs away from hitting 1,000. 10's not even a real number. That's less than half of a kapahaka ropu. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, I need you, I need your dog, I need your nan, I need your koro, I need everyone to hit that subscribe button so we can hit that 1k today. Not tomorrow, today, now. Enjoy the rest of the video. Mangere hard, huh?
oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Is it Tani Kahaya? Hold on. Let me turn it up for you. Look at their lines very crisp as. They sound mean as. He's the man. Yo. Yeah. Whakaeke. Well done, whānau. I loved it. I loved every second of it. Gee, the way that she's come in on the stage, just everyone was feeding off it. It was just like, you already know it's going to be good.
You already know.
I don't want to talk too much. Just.
Inara ia, I mate aia mau I te tipua, I te kata ti waiwaka, anei te pūraka.
Hey. I love that. Head snapping like the T-Way. That's mean. Mean for more tea as well. More tea, nice and short. Very, the heat snaps were on. That's all I can say. It wasn't long and boring and no, hurry up. It was just quick. Heads were snapping. Oh, bro. Keep it up there, Mangere.
Akati! Ko ngā raukura o taku tīwai waka, he raukura ho matua. Ko taku poi, he poi raukura tonu.
Te poi! Whakarite!
Nō reira e teiwi, whakatūria mai tō ringa, mēnā koe he raukura ho matua. A ka pai, tēnei poi, he poi whakanui I a koutou.
Te poi! Kia mau!
O nama, tōtāne!
Gee, the bro is a big G. I love his ahua, eh? It's just like, for me, that's what a kaitātiki tāne should be like, G. Or that's how a kaitātiki should be. So, bro, he can just chill. He can just laugh, have a good, kani and whatnot. Bro's living it, G. He's a mean.
Wai wai tangahia.
Holy shit. Fuck. Gee, this is going on TikTok, gee. This whole item's going on TikTok. This is holy heck. My favorite waiata aringa I've ever watched so far. Do you hear the way that waiata aringa sounds? The waiata is just beautiful. Everyone's crying. It's emotional. 10 out of 10. Keep it up, man. Keep it up.
E tōtara wāhirua mai nei tēnei wā. E harai te mea ko tauiwi te hoariri nui o tēnei tau. Engari rā ia, ko tamaroto ke.
Papa Tete Taha!
Hua, rita!
Yo. Yo. Shout out Natsukahumu.
Nō reira whakake mā! Hei aha noa te kauhau I tēnei mea te kotahitanga. Whakāturia mai! Whakamoe a tamaroto! Whakaoho I a hine ngaro!
Oh. Probably one of the better haka that I've seen. These are snappy as. These are all going hard. I loved all your actions. They were tough as. I don't even want to talk anymore, G. Just I'm just gonna watch it. Okay, shut up.
What?
Just let me watch it. Hey? Whakawātea.
Nō reira mā tātua waka.
Good!
I te rangatira, o tā koutou manaki mai a mātou. Kua kore taku tī wai waka hia hoki ki te kāinga. Oh! He hia te tū anō a pōpō. Kai whiri mā. Nō koutou te mana. Mā tātua waka, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou.
He's the man, bro.
Hei a pōpō. Hea.
But he's ended up going. Oh. Ah! Ah! I don't know if you could tell, but Mangere is probably one of my favorite groups. These are just so good, man. No, but in all seriousness, G, I feel like too, yous have come a long way, bro. Yous have come a long way. Please keep performing, every single one of yous that are on the stage. Please, you better go to, when you get older, you better go to Matatini. I better see this follow up on the stage, bro. If I ever see any of yous, if I see this Ropu, please take a photo with me in real life. Please take a photo with me. And if you're from Mangere, please confirm that yous would be down to take a photo. Surely. Anyway, yo, that's me. Shot Whānau. Keep it up. Chirr.
And it's my bad, I be stressing, holding, wanting, searching, cause I might never find another like you. Put it with the